That was a fun noise. I don't think the mic picked that one up. Anyways, hello. Welcome back to Mercer's Kitchen that I haven't done in like 4 years. 4 years. Wait, when was the video I posted? I could just look at my iPad. What the fuck am I doing? The last video I did was bacon. That will always be funny to me. God. Bacon chocolate brownie cookies. 2021, February 10th, 2021. Oven's now preheated. Peanut butter cookies. 3 easy step cookies. We already got pre-made because they were in the freezer, and I mentioned to my mom that I wanted to make cookies and other stuff, mainly cinnamon rolls, so that's what we're doing. So I can get rid of this and make more because nobody goes to school anymore.
Don't remind me, bro.
You go to work. Wait, do you have peanut butter cookies at your workplace? Or peanut butter anywhere in your workplace?
The only thing that could possibly contain nuts in that workplace is the score McFlurries.
Yeah, that's about it. So you probably could take them to work. Anyways, peanut butter cookies. 3 easy steps. Peanut butter, white sugar, and egg. I don't have an egg. I need an egg. Also, text mom for me. Say that she's definitely gonna need more eggs. Let's get this started. So I just kind of add everything in. So let's go with the sugar. I'm gonna scroll up a bit because I forget all the steps. So 1 cup of white sugar, and then peanut butter. So I'm just gonna do this.
Nothing says. It just says it contains all this and that.
It doesn't say it's from whatever.
I've looked at like 3 different websites and it's all like either optional or great or it sucks and you will die if you have more.
This is probably gonna be like a very, very short video, and I don't really care. That will be enough peanut butter. So then we just scoop in here. Lastly,
eggs.
no shells. I am very proud of myself. Now we mix. And I'm doing it by hand. Even though we have a mixer. Mixer's more for mom. Less for me. So you're just going to mix until everything is combined. Alright. That's kind of it. This is very simple and easy. I'm going to grab a different tray. The one I have, this size might burn it. Oops. So I'm grabbing these 2. And oh, where am I going to put everything? I did not think very far ahead. I should have planned it out. Yeah, it's a teeny tiny bit more. Whose iPad? Ow. Cooling rack. Always have a cooling rack ready to go. Let's do this one first. See how this turns out. Just need to knead it a bit. Probably won't take long. Usually this will be in a bowl, but I'm just going to grab pieces of this and sit you there. So we're just gonna roll it, put it on like this, grab another piece, roll it, put it on. Try to make it somewhat the same size. I'm not too overly concerned about it. I'm just going with the flow. Let's see how these turn out. I'm just gonna make sure they're all kind of separated. And then we're just gonna rotate them. So this one here, these ones are the frozen ones. I'm just going to do this. Usually I would just use a scoop, but I think it's just a little more fun if I use my hand. I'm gonna do the same thing. This one's a little more sticky because this one's fresh. Put you right there. And we're just going to do 3 rows of that. Rusty's currently eating food, which is nothing new. Alright, another thing you can also do, which some people do with their cookies, is just grab a fork and do this. Make it a cool little design. Wow! So I'm just gonna kind of do that, just to give it a look. tape the cookies really quick. And I'm just gonna see how many minutes do I gotta put these in. For about 10 minutes. Okay. Or longer until they're nice and crispy. Okay. So I'm gonna have to move the camera this way so you can see the oven. But we're gonna put you on the bottom, like that, and then you on the top. And then we'll put this to, I'm gonna actually say 12 minutes, see how long that takes. And yeah, we'll come back in about 12 minutes or so. And I'll finish the rest off the camera, so. Let's see how the brownies go. I guess, I don't know. We're making box brownies. Why? Because why not? I'm bored. We're gonna pull out one of these. Okay. I'm gonna have a big bowl, so we can't use small bowl. Small bowl has peanut butter in it. Also, there might be an alarm that will go off for that in 6 minutes. Rusty is also attacking the new fridge. It is about to attack Maddie. You know, he was picking at the. You were saying?
I was trying to instigate him.
You instigated him. Brownie mix. Put. Okay, maybe I should not have slammed that on the counter. Well, plastic's gonna go in it. Never mind. Google is being mean because it keeps turning on the lights. Alright, brownie mix. That's in. I could have siphoned that. Oh well. Next bit, this much water. Where's my camera at? This much water. So we're going over to my sink. Make sure it's cold. Water goes in. Next, oh no, is vegetable oil. Ta-da. And it's the same as this. It's this measurement. Huh? Hello? Oh, okay. For a second there, I thought it was not open. I was so confused because it was like almost gone. Oil. And then we just need one.
Eggs.
Nope. Yes. Nope. Okay, take you off. So don't need that in there. Stir until the thing is mixed. Add brownie mix into well blended in pan, this is our pan, hence why it's small. And I think I'm supposed to put it in here with grease. Would this count? Does Mom usually grease these? I'm just gonna... Then mix until everything is put together. The yolk is taking forever to actually mix, so it shall die. This is a good thing we did a siphon it because I think there's chocolate chips in here. Alright. So that's basically it for that. Now, I feel like I'm supposed to put something else in there. But you know what? We're just gonna risk it. We're gonna see what happens. Okay. Where's the pan? There's the pan. Pour you right in. Peanut butter cookies are done. I'm just gonna do this. No, I got some on the counter. So, these brownies take about 45 to 50 minutes to bake, so I'm gonna tune back in when they are all done. Right now, you need to worry about the peanut butter cookies. They smell pretty good, so let's see how they look. Look alright. But these ones will need a little bit extra. Let's give them like, ow! I don't know why I did that. 3 more minutes. I just gotta wait for these to soften, or not soften, but they do their thing. So we're gonna cool off there, and then we'll put them on the cooling rack. But for now, we move on to the next thing. Next video. Get this, there we go. Here, you guys can watch him. Keep an eye on for me. Here, you babysit Rusty, alright? Hopefully he doesn't move from his spot. So sorry for the camera being off. I cannot fix that. And there he goes. Alright, peanut butter cookies are done, plus the brownie mix. They're done. Hopefully it turned out alright. So that's done. And the cookies are done. I'm just gonna combine them, make it easier because they're pretty easy recipes. This is literally just a box. And that's it. And that's 3 ingredients. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment any baking recipes you want me to do or any other videos you want me to do relating to food. Because I plan on doing other stuff relating to food. And maybe alcohol. Do some cocktails, maybe. Anyways, you guys let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.